Hello students, welcome to your BBC class. As all of you know that these days we are doing our writing section. So today we will learn how to write articles. So let us start with the definition of an article first. An article is a piece of prose writing which is normally written in newspapers or magazines. Means articles are written to be printed in newspaper or magazines, etc. So it can be printed on any matter, either it may be political, social, moral or spiritual. So it expresses the views of writer, what the writer wants to tell about that particular matter, what are the views of that writer on that particular matter. So let us learn how to write an article, means what is the format of an article. First of all, the title. It is the heading of the article and says what the article is about. Every topic we give heading, na? So this is the heading, means we are going to tell the readers that what is the topic. It can be a word, a phrase or even a short sentence. Next is the body. Body is the real article. It may consist of several paragraphs and is usually structured in three parts. What are the three parts? Let us know. First part is the introduction. It sets up the context of the purpose of writing and introduces the topic. In first paragraph, we mainly introduce the topic, what the topic is all about. We give the definition, we give the introduction of that topic and hints at what is to follow in subsequent paragraphs. And what we are going to write in the following paragraphs, we give the hint of that. Then the arguments. The main points of the topic are described in many paragraphs, each dealing with only one major idea. Means what is the major idea? The idea is the topic, means whatever topic we have to focus on that topic. Each paragraph must have the topic sentence that introduces the point it wants to focus. Means our focus mainly should be on the main topic. We have to tell the positive points of that topic, we have to tell the negative points of that topic. These are the arguments. And then the conclusion. It is the last paragraph that sums up all the ideas and winds up the arguments. Now the arguments are over, we have to sum up and gives the writer's opinion on the topic. And what is your opinion? What the improvements you want to make in, if the topic is society, then what the improvements you want to make in that society. If the topic is about any moral, what moral values there should be in any person. So you have to now, in conclusion, you have to give your opinion on the topic. Okay, so this was the format how to write an article. Now what are the important points to be kept in mind? First one is the target audience. You have to keep in mind the educational level and background and interest also of the target audience. So only then the readers will be able to understand, will be able to know the message what you want to convey through the article. Okay, next one is the purpose of writing. Like other writing forms, an article must have a clear and specific purpose, which may be just to inform people or to persuade them to do something or and so on. Like harmful effects of polythene bags. You want people not to use polythene bags. That is the purpose of your writing. So the purpose should be clear from your writing, from your article. Clarity of purpose will ensure clarity in the choice of style, vocab and grammar. This was the article all about. You have to remember these points while writing an article. You have to be very clear to the idea, means you must focus on the main topic. Okay, and now the speech. According to Oxford Dictionary, a speech is a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. A successful speech is one that conveys the speaker's message to the audience in an effective manner. A speech that you are very familiar to, means you always give speech in your school and whatever. So what is the speech? You are going to give a message to a target audience. So an article can be easily converted into speech by adding your intro lines or greetings in the beginning. Just what you have to do, you have to add the greetings and the intro line in beginning of the article, and in the end you have to write down the word thank you. That will then only the article will be converted into the speech. This is all about how to write an article and speech. Now you have to practice the exercise given in your BBC. Okay.